here to force you to do that, but if you are here to do that, I like to point out that Brandon isn't doing jack shit. He's just fucking standing there doing nothing. Zero work right here. He could be giving tattoos right now. Okay? He could be piercing pussies right now. Okay? Instead he's just standing there. So if you need a drink, Brandon's your guy. He's right here and he's ready for the shit. Yeah. So let's not play games. If you're here to drink, let's drink. You're over here sitting down. I get it. You gotta relax. We got Miranda over here taking care of this crew. I see you now. Thank you. You're doing your part. They're doing their part over here. Thank you. Right here in Nashville. This would be home for you. Now, and how many people like this crew here? I mean, y'all live in Nashville? Okay. But what I'm about to